In this lecture, you will learn how to set up and create a detailed targeted Facebook ads. Let's click on Create Ads. There are a couple of options that you can choose from, and we are more interested in traffic. The main goal of traffic is designed to drive people to your website, link, or apps. With traffic as your objective, you can create ads that send people to a destination on or off Facebook, such as website and also clicks. So this is what we want: send as much quality traffic to our site. Give your campaigns a name. This is very important as you will be creating others' campaign along the way, so you do not want to mix things up. You want things to be a bit more organized. In order to set up your Facebook ads account, you will need to enter this account information. When you are done, just click on Continue. For this demo purpose, I will use these details for a detailed Facebook marketing ads. Location, United States. Age, 24 to 58. Gender, both men and women. Interest will be affiliate marketing and pet film affiliate marketing. In this traffic option, we will want to select website. The website that we will be using over here is the landing page that we created earlier in this lecture. Therefore, it is very important that you already set up your landing page before coming over to this lecture. We are going to switch on the Dynamic Creative. Dynamic Creative helps us automatically deliver high-performing combination of their creative asset to their audience. Dynamic Creative accepts the basic component of a Facebook ad, such as image, video, title, descriptions, and automatically generate optimized ads combination based on these components. Next, we are going to look at locations. I hope that you already have the location, age, gender, and also a list of your competitors that you can steal their clients to promote your products. So the location, I will put United States. Age will be 24 to 59. Gender will be both. Language, I will put English as my products will be in English. Details targeting, I will be putting in affiliate marketing and smart passive income with PetFlim, because those are the users that I would like to target. Let's save this audience so that we can have things more organized. Next, we are going to look at placement. This is where your ads is going to show. Click on Edit Placement. Personally, I will choose everything in Facebook and Instagram, except messages, in article, and also apps and sites, as I do not find it very useful. Next, budget and schedule. Optimization for ads delivery, we want to select link clicks. For budget wise, I will recommend a minimum of $5 and not more than $10, as we are still on a testing phase, so we do not want to spend too much money on it. Unless we get some positive feedback from the ads, such as successful sales, then we might want to increase the budget a bit more. I want to draw your attention to this column over here. The potential reach is 2.5 millions, and the reach will be 471 to 1.4 thousand, and the link clicks is 27 to 78. So for the potential reach, we want it to be around 500,000 to at least a good 2 millions, because we are still on a testing phase, so we want to reach as much people as possible. If the potential reach is lower than 500,000, then the below reach and also the link clicks will also be significantly affected. So when you are done, click on Continue. From here, choose the Facebook page that you created for your products. Scroll down and upload your product's photos or video. I will choose image for this demo purpose. You can easily create a Facebook image by using Canva. Just go to Canva, type in Facebook ads, and it will provide the exact image size with tons of templates that you can choose from. So feel free to design your own image with Canva. Just upload your image over here. So at the right over here, you get to see how is your image show up. Key in the title, headline, and also the description of your post. Remember one thing, and keep this in mind when you keying in this headlines and title. Your intention of creating this post is to ask people to download your ebook, buy your products. So a few elements that you can consider when writing the ads. What is this ads about? This ads is about giving you a free ebook to increase your business traffic. Urgency. Put wording like limited offer, or for 100 copies only, or until a certain period of time. This is to urge people to click and buy or download your products. The website URL will be the landing page. Now, why we want to direct our customer to our landing page instead of directly to our affiliate product links? There are two main benefits of doing this. The first one, you get to collect your user database such as their email and also others' personal details. So, if you have another product that you want to sell, you have a solid client base that you can sell to. If you direct the traffic to your affiliate link only, you will not get to build your own client base, which is a big mistake that most rookies do. Second, Facebook might not allow affiliate link to be in their Facebook ads. Yup, you are right. Facebook might reject your ads if they think your link or website is suspicious. So your best bet is to direct the traffic to your landing page. Next, the call to action button. There are a couple of options that you can choose from, and I will choose download. Next, Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel enables us to retarget our customer. It collects data that helps you to track conversion from Facebook ads, optimize ads, build target audience for future ads, and remarket to people who have already taken some sort of actions on your website, such as click on the download button or click on the buy button but did not proceed with the sales. So it is very important that we install this pixel into our landing page. Go back to Get Response. Click on landing page. Choose the landing page that we want to direct our customer to. Click on next step. On my landing page settings, scroll all the way down. On this analytics and remarketing section is where we want to install our Facebook Pixel ad. Just go back to Facebook. Click on Facebook Pixel. Copy these ID numbers over here and paste it at Get Response. And you are done. And the final step will be clicking confirm, and your ads will be live after Facebook review it.